Hi guys, Sanket here. We have crossed 200 subscribers. So thank you very much, first of all. I started this channel about 1 month back where I started uploading videos regarding bioinformatics for all of you. And in the span of 1 month, we reached 200 subscribers, and I got a really lot of appreciation from all my viewers out there. Actually, I would also like to thank the people from obviously India, my country, United States, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Mexico, United Kingdom, Turkey, France, Thailand, Brazil, who have been watching my content and have been liking my content. I am reading your comments, and I am working on whatever suggestions which you have given me. So there will be a number of videos which I'll be coming out with. It really does take time because when it comes to the softwares or tools, what's particular should I what particular section should I work on, what should I actually focus my work on, the video on is becomes a big problem because these are softwares or tools which have so many features. So that's why sometimes it really takes time. But as I said, I am reading all your comments and I am working on them, and we will come out with more and more videos. If you have any more suggestions, you please feel free to write it down on the comments. I will make more videos on different topics which is there for you guys. So again, thank you very much. There are still a lot of people who are actually viewing my content but not subscribing to it, so I request you guys that please click on the subscribe button. Okay, till then, bye bye.